Thank you very much. What is it?
Not telling.
Should I open it?
Yeah.
Okay.
You bake it.
Oh, make it. A meatloaf. Cookies.
It's a loaf.
Pie.
You like it?
Mm-hmm.
Oh, that is cute. Kind of a, what did she call it? Wedge?
Yeah.
There in your hand.
Your palm.
Looks like you got something on the end of that baton. What is that? Whoops.
Push standby. Good action's doing, Ryan. Digging his crops. And Grandma's paying me $5 a minute. Ryan, quit trying to be a show-off.
What are you making those holes for?
For my $5, where I can get $5.
What are you going to plant in them?
Flowers. He's getting $5.
That would be pretty from my window.
Grandma,
What's your problem?
He's getting $5.
How much did you get? For doing what?
Everything. He's doing one little thing. For $5, I didn't even know I was getting $5.
I didn't either. He said $5 a minute. Maybe we'll have him for dinner, huh? Yeah. Grover Heights. Your daddy went to this school.
Wow. You can send that to Dad and I don't have to take a picture.
No, I'm not. And your Uncle Jim went to this school. When your daddy went, it was about that size right there.
I don't want to waste any camera and pictures.
Now look how big it is. We'll run and see what rooms you're in so we can get going.
Here. I don't want you to take a picture. This is my camera, understand?
I'd think you'd want to send your mom one. Is your name on there?
What are you doing?
What are you doing?
Playing balls.
How many dolls do you have?
Well, that one's yours. And that one's yours. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
You have a doll that its hair grows?
Yeah.
Let's see how that works.
I should feel like I'm holding a prince. Hit and trim.
See, it's for overweight. Let's start the
Dogs! What do you think I am, a dog? Oh, I thought it was for me. Fewer calories, less fat, and less salt.
You see, I stood away for this with the coupon. Fat and trim. Just for Barbara.
thing? Should we eat some?
No.
Come on, Holly.
Holly, you have some first, and then we'll all follow you.
No. We'll see if you die and then Jake.
Well, thank you.
School days, good old golden rule days. They're checking to see what time they have to go in the morning. Guess they can't find it. What time?
8:45.
Hey. Well, here's Holly modeling her first day of school outfit. You gonna go to school in the desert?
Yeah.
Well,
Wish I could.
you do. Coos Bay isn't the desert. Hop aboard. It's your day. Bye. Bye.
Bye.
Hey, you look pretty sharp for Grover Heights, California. You look like a Californian. Pull your shirt down a little bit better.
There.
Ready? Bye. Have a good day.
Bye.
Bye, Ryan.
Bye.
Okay.